student. Today we are going to start exercise 1.2 which are based on my previous video. There we have discussed there how can we will show the function is 1 1 on 2 into many 1 it is. So now student, come to the exercise 1.2 question number 1. The question is given function f r star to r star. What is the meaning of r star? It means r star is the set of non-zero real number. We know that r is the set of real number, but we will include here r star as the function of non-zero. It means we will not include here 0. Now function is fx is equals to 1 upon x. We have given here. Now we will prove in this question the function be 1 1 and onto. So student, first I will explain this question by Venn diagram, then by algebraic. So for understanding, first we will draw here Venn diagram. Now function is defined f r star to r star, and function is here given fx equal to 1 upon x. Now we know that real number is the larger set and it contains all positive, negative, rational, irrational, all number. But here if we will take here some number, choose first is -1 by 2, -1, 0, 1 by 2 and 1 and 1 by suppose 2 here. Now if we will put here fx, x is equals to -1 by 2, then it will be become 2. How? Suppose if -1 by 2, then 1 upon -1 by 2, so it is equal to -2. So we will get -2, and here is infinite number also contained. So the image of -1 by 2 is -2. Similarly, if we will put here -1, then we will get -1. 0 is not contained, 0 is not included because the function we have given r star is the set of non-zero real number. So we will not include here 0. Now 2 we will put here, then it will be become 2. So the image is, now we will put here 1, then 1 we will get, and if we will put here 2, then we will get 1 by 2. So student, as we observe here, every element of set A has unique image in set B because function is defined from r star to r. Suppose it is the A and it is the B. So every element of A has unique image in set B. So as we observe here, this kind of function is called 1 1. Now for onto, how can define for onto? We know that for onto for onto range is always equal to its codomain. We know that r star is denoted the codomain, but range is here this -2, -1, 2, 1, 1 by 2. So student, as we observe here, if we will put here fraction, then we will get this number integer, and if we will put here integer, we will get fraction. So if suppose we will put here √3, then we will get here 1 upon √3. So as we observe here, all all element of set B have their pre-image in set BA. All element of set B have their pre-image in set A. It means no element left here in set B. So all are filled from their pre-image. So this kind of relation is called 1, 1 and on 2. And we know that if the function is 1, 1 and on 2, so we will say that it is also bijective. Now, how can we will write this thing? So now, I will explain here by algebraic method. Now, for 1, 1, the condition of 1, 1 is if fx1 equal to fx2 then implies that it should be x1 equal to x2. Now, the function is fx is equals to 1 by x. Now, we will put here, replace x equal to x1, then we will get 1 upon x1 and x2 1 upon x2. Now, we will do here cross multiplication, then we will get x1 is equal to x2. So, function be a 1, 1. Now, for onto. Now, for onto, we know that codomain equal to range. So, here, what is the codomain? Codomain is y and range is fx. So, y equal to, what is the value of fx? 1 upon x. Now, we will write here x in terms of y. So, we will doing here cross multiplication again. Then, we will get xy equal to 1. Then, x equal to 1 upon 5. It means if we will put the value of y, then we will get the value of x. So, if y is belongs to r star, then implies that x also belongs to r star. So, function b onto. Therefore, function b 1, 1 and onto. Now the second part of first question is function is defined natural number to r star. It means function is defined natural number to non-zero real number and function is given fx is equals to 1 upon x. Now we will put the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we will put here 1, then we will get 1. So image is 1, 2, 1 by 2, 3, 1 by 3, 4, 1 by 4, 5, 1 by 5. So as we observe here, every element of set hai as his its unique image in set B. So it is a 1, 1. Now for onto. As we observe here the set B, it is a set of R star, it means non-zero numbers. So now student, if we will put here, suppose 1 and 1 by 2, how many number are there exist between them? Suppose fx is given 1 upon x. Now we will put here x equal to 1 by 4. Then we will get okay. And root 2. Suppose we will put here x equal to root 2. So it will be become f root 2 equal to 1 upon root 2. So as we observe here, a set is a set of natural number and natural number is contain only positive numbers, not rational, irrational. So this type of function is not onto. So student, it is a into. So we will prove now here it is a 1, 1 also, fx1 equal to fx2, x1 equal to x2, because we have to prove fx1 equal to fx2 and x1 equal to x2. So function be a 1, 1. Why? Because these all are from n belongs to n. Now for onto. codomain equal to range. So now we will get x upon y. So if we will write here y is belongs to r star, so we will not get here x belongs to natural number. So function B not onto, it will be a into. So answer is function is 1 1 and into. Now question number 1 is complete. Now question number 2, check function is injective and surjective. What is the meaning of injective? It means function will be a 1 1. If the function is surjective, it means it will be a minimum. Now student, we have given here in question number 2 3 parts. I will explain here because these 3 are similar to each other. Function is same here, given fx is equals to x square, but we will know about the function is where to where defined. It is very important to us. The function is where to where defined. It means if we will see in question number 1, function is defined natural number to natural number, while function is fx is equals to x square. And question number 2, function is defined z to z in. It means integer to integer. It is the same function. And while function is defined real number to real number, it is also same. So now first I will explain here for function is defined natural number to natural number and fx is equals to x square. Now from the Venn diagram, first I will explain. It is a function natural number to natural number. We will put here 1 2 3 4 5 and get the answer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is defined. Now in this function we will put the value f(x) x equal to 1, then we will get x square 1. If we will put here x equal to 2, then we will get x square, it will be become 4. Now fx is equals to 3, then we will get 9. As we observe here, it goes to infinite. We will put here 4, then we will get 16. So every element of set A has its unique image in set B. That's why this function is a 1 1. So this function is a 1 1. It means it is a injective function. Now we will write here like this in a algebraic form. Fx equal to x square. So for a injective function, fx1 equal to fx2 implies that x1 square equal to x2 square. Now it will be become x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0. Then we will doing here factor x1 minus x2 and x1 plus x2 equal to 0. As we observe here, we will get two values of x1. One of them is x1 equal to x2 or x1 equal to minus x2. So student, now we will get here the values of x1 is 2, x1 equal to x2 and x1 equal to minus x2. But student, we will not consider second value here, x1 equal to minus x2, because our function is defined here natural number to natural number. So we will consider here only first value. Therefore, we will write minus x2 not belongs to n. So function B 1 1, it means injective. Got it? Now third part of question number 2, if R to R, where to where the function is defined, R to R and fx is equals to x square. So student, again we will draw a here Venn diagram. Function is defined. Now function is defined real number to real number. It means it will be considered rational number, irrational number, positive, negative. So I will take here all of kind of number 0, suppose 1 minute. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, √2, -√2 and √3. Okay, now it is goes to infinite. How many element? It contain infinite element, and the function is given fx is equals to x square. Now we will put here x is equals to -2, then we will get here 4 and 1, then we will get -1 put, then we will get 1, 0 and 0. If we will put here √2, then we will get 2. So 1 and -1 have same image, 0, 0, -2 and 2 has same image, and √2 and -2 has same image. Here 3, 5, 6. But here also contain negative number also. So negative number here also, as we observe here, suppose. So now function is here 1, 1, because we will consider here both negative and positive. Again we will solve here by this method, algebraic fx1 equal to fx2, then we will get x1 equal to x2 and x1 equal to -x2. Why? Because x2 and -x2 element of R. So function is 1, 1. Function is 1, 1. Now function is 1, 1 not, it is a many one, sorry. Function is a many one. Now for on2. For on2 we will check here again fx equal to y. Fx is equals to what? X square equal to y. Then x equal to what? Plus minus √y. So student, as we observe here, this codomain contain minus number also, -2, -3, -4 and -√2. So now I will take here, put the value y is equals to -√2. So now we will get, implies that x is equals to plus minus root. Okay, now we will put only -2 here. So we will get plus minus -√2. As we know that -√2, it is not a real part, it is a imaginary number. So this type of function is not onto, it is a into. So student, we will write here if y belongs to R, then x is not belongs to R. So function not onto. It means this type of function is not injective and not surjective. Function f is not injective nor surjective. Question number 4 of part 4th of question number 2. fx is equals to xq and function is defined from n to n. Now if we will draw its Venn diagram, then the function is fx is equals to xq. Now put the value x is equals to 1, then we will get image is 1, 2, then we will get 8 and 3, then we will get 27. So student, as we observe here, every element of set A has its unique image in set B. All of element have its image. 4 is 6, 4 is 64. So this type of function is 1 1. Now write for 1 1 if fx1 equal to fx2. So fx1 means x1 cube equal to x2 cube. So implies x1 cube minus x2 cube equal to 0. Now we will doing here factor x1 minus x2 and x1 square plus x1 x2 plus x2 square equal to 0. So now we will get here x1 minus x2 equal to 0, and second is x1 square plus x1 x2 plus x2 square equal to 0. Again x1 equal to x2, and here if we will add both sides x1 x2, then it will be become x1 plus x2 whole square equal to x1 x2. So student, it is not possible because it is not justify that if we will add two terms and take here is square, then it is equal to their multiplication. So we will consider only this x1 equal to x2. So this is a 1 1. So now for write 1 1, for 1 1 x1 belongs to n implies that x2 also belongs to n. So function is function f लिख देते हैं, function B injective. Now for onto, what is the condition for onto? This is a 1. For onto codomain equal to range. So codomain is y equal to fx. What is the value of fx? X cube. So now we will find out the value of x in terms of y. Sorry, x equal to y 1 by 3. So student, if we will put the value of y, suppose 1, then we will get 1. Suppose we will put y equal to 2 here, then we will get now x is equals to 2 exponent 1 by 3. So in a set of natural number, 2 exponent 1 by 3 is not exist in this set natural number. So this function not onto. So now we will write here if y belongs to n, then implies x is not belongs to n. So function b into, therefore function injective but not surjective. Now we have given function is defined z to z and integer to integer, and function is given fx equal to x cube. Now we will put here x is equals to minus 3, then we will get minus 27, minus 2, minus 8, minus 1, minus 1, and 0, then we will get 0, 1, 1, 2, 8, 3, 27. So student, as we observe here, every element of A has its unique image in set B. So this function is a 1 1. So now for 1 1 again we will solve. It's like previous question, fx1 equal to fx2, x1 cube equal to x2 cube. Then we will doing here factor. We will not consider here because it's not possible that sum of two numbers and their square equal to their product. So we will neglect this identity. We will use here x1 equal to x2. So function b 1 1. Now for onto. Now for onto student, we will consider here codomain y equal to fx. The student, as we observe here in a mapping, many numbers are left here. Suppose here is minus 26 and minus 26 is not here have any pre-image in set A. Here is also minus 4. Minus 4 is not any pre-image in set A. This kind of many numbers are left which don't have any pre-image of set A. So it is a not onto, it is a into, but we will apply for onto. If it is a not onto, it means it is a into. So y equal to fx, codomain equal to fx, y equal to x cube implies x cube equal to y. Therefore x equal to y exponent 1 upon 3. Now suppose we will put here y equal to 2. Then we will get x is equals to 2 1 by 3. And the set of this is a integer. Integer does not contain this type of number, exponent in a fraction. So this type of function is a not onto. Function is into. So function B injective not surjective. Now question number 3rd. In question number 3rd, we have given f R2R given. Define it means real number to real number. Function is given fx is equals to x. It is a, we know that it is a greatest integer function. This function we have discussed in 11th class also. We will show here neither 1 1 nor onto. We will show it is not a 1 1 and not onto. So student, you know that the function fx is equals to x. It means if we will put the any value, then we will get greatest or equal integer. Suppose we will take here x is equals to minus 1.2. Okay. Then if we will put here minus 1.2, or suppose I have to take here 5.6 or 2.3. We will put here f 2.3. So it gives the output is 3. Greatest. The function name is greatest or equal. Now again if we will put here 2.9. So again it will be get here 3. So student, as we observe here, if we will put the two values, then we will get same image. So this function is not 1 1, it is a many one type of function. So now we will write here function is if f x1 equal to fx2, so implies that we will not get x1 not equal to x2. So this function is which type? Function B many 1. For onto. For onto student, suppose if we will put here any value. Now by Venn diagram I will explain here also. The function is defined R2R and it is a real number set, so it contains 5.0, 2.3, 2.9, 5.4, 5.5 and 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 suppose. And here is also we will get in both condition we will get what? 3. So minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In both condition we will get only 3. Greatest integer. Now if we will put here 5.4 and 5.5, then we will get also 6. But here some decimal kind of function is also exist in this real number. Here is also 2.3, 2.9, 5.4, 5.5, which kind, this kind of numbers also exist in real function, but they don't have any pre-image in set A. So they are left. They don't have any pre-image in set A. So this type of function is not onto, it is a into. So now we will write here forward y equal to fx, then the function is, we should not write here, we write directly, if y belongs to R, then implies that x is not belongs to R. So function not be onto. If you have any query, any problem, student, you can ask me in comment box.